How's it going, guys? My name is Marco. Welcome to this new video. I just realized that my t-shirt is the same color of the background, so I hope it won't be that hard. By the way, I just bought the new Apple Watch Series 5. Finally, it came out. I'm one of those nerdy guys. I really love Apple. I really love technology, and I really love the brand, the philosophy that is behind the brand. This is Steve Jobs. I made my final thesis in my high school about Steve Jobs, so that's how much I like the Apple product. So when the first Apple Watch Series 1, 3 or 4 years ago came out, I was one of the first guys to buy it and to try it, but I never had the opportunity and I couldn't afford to replace it and update the Apple Watch. So this time I told myself, you know what, it's 4 years, 3 years right now, the battery doesn't last that much. So I just bought the new Apple Watch. So I'll leave you with the unboxing. These guys, this is the Series 5. Just bought it, the space gray version in aluminum, the Sport. Let's unbox it. I was undecided between this version and let's see how it works here. This version and the Series 4, but then I decided, you know what, let's just take the new one, the newest one. Okay okay, was the wrong direction. That's cool. And there it is. Whoa, designed by Apple in California. Oh, okay, so now they sell the watch and the band in two different cases, and here's the watch. This is so cool. I just sold my other edition, the previous one, which was the first one that came out, and this is the Series 5 with the Sport band. So there it is, guys. This is the Apple Watch Series 5. I have it right here right now, and it has so many new features, like the always on display, which is very helpful. It has the ACG that I didn't have in my first Apple Watch. Like compared to my first Apple Watch, has so many good things, so many new features. The wider screen, the possibility to have the compass, the fall detection, so many good things. But just one thing that I know that a lot of people are talking about this Apple Watch and this new version right now, the watchOS 6, is the battery life. The battery life is not one of the best. Like right now, it actually lasts longer than my first Apple Watch. I had the Series 1, so of course you say it's the first Apple Watch that came out. But for me, it lasts 1 day and a half. Like the first Apple Watch, for me, it was just less than 1 day. For this is 1 day and a little bit more. But I surely know, and I know people that already tested the beta of the 6.1 update, that Apple updated and fixed this bug, this issue. And after that, after they will release this update 6.1 and the battery update will be fixed, I think that this would be the best smartwatch on the planet right now. So this is it. This is my opinion, my unboxing and my review about the Apple Watch new Series 5. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I've been flying from town to town.